How to see what time a YouTube short was posted. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check when a short was uploaded. And actually, also, I'm going to show you how you can check time on other long videos, though the long videos is not really hard. Let me give an example of this. Let me just play this. When I load this is a long video. It's easier for this. You just have to come in the description and there'll be a date. This is 26 Jan 2025. Now for the short, let me give an example of a short. Let me go to my shorts. So for the short, let me try to play this. Okay. So when a short comes, you realize actually for it doesn't really have um, like the presentation is a bit brief. Okay. So what you do is you click on the title. Okay. Let me click on the title. This, when you click on the title, you realize actually on the right side, there will be another window and it will show you the year 2023, 10th of June. So that's how you can check the date when a YouTube short was posted. I'm using a computer, so the experience may be slightly different on a phone. But what you do, even if it's a phone, you just have to click on the description of that, the title of that video. Then you check out the date when it was posted. Okay. If this video has helped you a lot, you can try to subscribe. You can even like the video. Okay. I appreciate your support and see you in the next video. Bye bye.